What's up, people? In this video, we're going to take a look at a wireless parking sensor by Fensens. What's up, guys? Got a new product sent to me. It's a company named Fensens. They sent out their smart wireless parking sensor. This is an application for those vehicles that don't have a backup camera or any type of backup sensors. They designed this for DIYers so that it's super easy to install. You can use your phone as a way to monitor backing up. And it's supposed to take like 5 minutes to install. And we'll see how it works. We're going to open up the box, see what's inside. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go outside. My wife's 2010 Ford Focus doesn't have any backup camera or backup sensors. So we're going to install it on her car and see how well this works. It actually came in a real nice packaging. It's got a handle on the top here. You can tell that they put a lot of time into the boxing of this and the presentation. As you can see on the front here, it says the Fensens. It says, "I'm a wireless parking sensor on your phone." Also shows in the bottom corner here, it works with Apple and Android products. It's Bluetooth wireless. See what's on the corner here. It says it has a 5-month battery life, installs in 5 minutes with a screwdriver, instant hands-free alerts, fast app auto launch. It says it works in extreme weather conditions and it has a 1-year warranty. On the back, it shows what the contents is, specifications. So let's open this up and see what we got inside. Alright, I took the sleeve off and as you can see they got their name branded on the front here. It's pretty nice. You open up the box. Right on the top here, it has like a quick guide. It has the QR code for the app. Shows installing the plate and actually shows how the app works. On the back here, it's actually got another instruction manual. Put that off to the side here. Take a look inside the box. And there's your product. So as you can see here, here's the plate. There's your license plate bracket. Your 2 sensors. This is where your battery goes. And the license plate actually bracket seems like it's pretty good quality. I like how it's all black, so it'll blend in a little bit better with the vehicle. We also got what looks here to be your magnetic mount for your phone. It's can be placed into your vent, and it comes with a couple metal sticky plates to mount on the back of your phone so you can use it. Also comes with this steering wheel mounted tap button. We got a couple tools here for mounting. Sends you batteries. Looks like it's 2 AA batteries. And the hardware. That's everything in the box. Alright guys, so the whole purpose of this product is, like I said previously, to make it super easy for the consumer to add backup sensors to their vehicle. They didn't want this to be intimidating at all. They wanted anybody to be able to do it and it not to take them a long time. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to install the batteries. They give you the tools needed to do this. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took the cover off. with the provided wrench. Like I said, they give you batteries. I'm not sure how well these batteries are going to work, so you might want to use like Energizer or Duracells. It does say lithium on the battery itself. So I'll throw these in here for now. Put the cover back on. Screws back in. And these screws that this plate comes with for the battery cover and to mount it are actually security screws. So you do need a special tool to install this plate, which is provided, but it makes it harder for anybody to steal this. I also like the fact that they put the battery compartment on the front of the plate, so it's easier to replace the batteries when needed instead of after taking it off. And maybe if the compartment was on the back, it'd be a little bit harder to get to, where this makes it a little bit easier. Just make sure you don't lose this tool, because you won't be able to get it off then. Alright guys, so I brought everything outside, backed up the car into the garage. I'm going to install this onto the back of the car, see how easy it is to install it, and then we'll test it out, see how well this works. I matched up the security bolts with the bolts that came out of the original license plate. They give you a bunch of different ones to choose from, so I got the ones that are the closest. Use the provided tool. We're going to mount this up. Alright, so that's what it looks like mounted up. I just ran the two top security bolts in there for test purposes. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my phone out, and I already downloaded the app from the Play Store. That's what it looks like. It's got an acknowledgement, hit agree. Now it's going to ask me to configure my Fensens. Hit OK. It says welcome. Get started. It's going to ask me, is it on the front or back? Installing it on the back. So I click that. Hit next. Installed it. Now it wants to know the space from your bumper. So I'm going to measure the space from my bumper. Now it's searching for it. Found it. Alright guys, so I downloaded the app. I got the license plate bracket installed, and I put the tap button on the steering wheel. So let's see how well this works. Alright guys, so we're going to test this out. Got my phone. I'm going to hit this tap button right here, and then we're going to back up. So here's my phone. There's the tap button. I'm going to hit it. Launches it. Shows that everything's clear behind me. Got green bars. So now I'm going to back up and see what happens. So right there, it's sensing the Impala behind me to my right. You guys can see there's the Impala right behind me, so it's sensing that. And now it's completely red. Put it in park. And that's where we're at. It's sensing the toolbox and possibly my camera stand. I'll move this out of the way. Actually, that's what it was sensing, was the camera stand. Because now it's at the orange. Move this a little bit closer. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to do a test here. I'm going to pull forward on with the car, and I'm going to keep my phone in the frame, and this is my tool cart right here, and where you're going to see firsthand as it's getting closer how this app works. Hope you guys seen that on camera. It looks like it worked. I hit the tap button on the inside of the car, and then it launched the app, which you guys probably seen backed up close to my tool cart here. This is my tool cart. I just got positioned right here, and as you can see, it's probably about 2 foot between the cart and the license plate, and we're at red with about 3 or 4 red bars. Alright guys, all in all, not a bad product. The installation went pretty fast. The tap button works good to launch the app. I was kind of worried about that because if the app didn't launch quick enough, it was going to be kind of pointless to even use this. You're not going to want to sit there and wait for an app to launch, and you need to back up. So that worked pretty good. The only thing I'd be worried about is getting too used to using this and not checking your mirrors or your surroundings. It is through an app, and you know how apps can crash, or there's glitches in apps, so you know, instead of relying on this 100%, you still want to check your mirrors, you still want to check your surroundings. But all in all, it's a good aid for those cars that don't have a backup camera or any backup sensors. You can find this on Amazon or go to Fensens.com to pick one up if you're interested. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Leave some comments below what you think, pros and cons of having this product, and don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you guys later.
Bye.